The Vornado EV100 Humidifier uses natural evaporation to provide efficient whole-room humidification without leaving behind mist or white dust. Its modern and minimalistic design is complemented by user-friendly push-button controls and multiple humidity settings for a personalized experience. The crystal-clear tank and removable cap make refilling and cleaning convenient and straightforward. The humidifier features deep-pitched blades and Vortex Action technology to ensure uniform humidification across spaces up to 300 square feet. With a 1-gallon tank capacity, it can output up to 1 gallon every 24 hours, adjusting automatically to maintain the ideal environment. Designed with user safety in mind, it comes with a 5-year satisfaction guarantee, reflecting its high-quality standards and reliable support.